A drip, drip, drip from your faucet isn't merely a pesky annoyance. Picture this. Homes in Arlington, Virginia, much like yours, grapple with this issue every single day. It leads to squandered water and climbing utility bills. But the problem runs deeper than the drip. It's the precious resources we're letting escape, one drop at a time. And in Arlington, each drop is significant. The good news? There's a straightforward fix. Dial 1-877-665-6532 right now. Our Arlington-based skilled professionals are on standby to halt that leak. With our know-how, your faucet can be repaired promptly, halting further waste and aiding in trimming down those bills. Don't allow a leaky faucet to get you down. Take action now. Join the ranks of your fellow Arlingtonians who've relied on us to rectify their dripping dilemmas. Revel in the tranquility that accompanies expert faucet repair. Arlington, we're at your service, ready to transform those drips into smiles. Give us a ring at 1-877-665-6532. Your faucet could be as good as new today.